All right, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most shocked that I have ever been ever since ChatGPT came along, and then I don't ever remember getting as shocked as I got when I checked this platform. We're talking about a platform called BrainMax by ClickUp. It apparently gives you access to all chat models. It apparently gives you access to the apps, CRMs, you name it, you have it. And one of the most spoken about feature is how it 4x's your productivity by by voice to text, where it is so accurate and it is very very seamless. It is a desktop app. You're supposed to download it from the BrainMax URL, which is available. Just type it on Google, you will get it. Now I have done all the basic things needed, like giving system access to my microphone, giving the system permissions. I've signed up. I've downloaded the desktop app. I've gone ahead and given signed up using an email, because you need an email to sign up. Now, once that is done, it has given me this screen where I can simply speak into it. You can enable a shortcut key like function on your keyboard, and then it will take it ahead from there. So it says, what do you work for? I'm just trying to type in something. I'm just going to say, I work on my own projects with respect to AI, and I also train people in helping them upskill when it comes to AI no code platforms and tools and strategies. I pretty much work on my own with respect to AI marketing, AI powered stat, AI powered strategies, AI powered no code, and I help people upskill when it comes to these things. I pretty much work for myself with respect to AI marketing, AI no code, and I also help people upskill when it comes to AI powered strategies, AI powered marketing, AI powered tools, AI powered tips and tricks. That's about it. I pretty much work for myself with respect to it. It is pretty accurate if you ask me. So I'm just going to move next. Congrats, you can use talk to text anywhere on your computer. Just hold the function key and it just does it anything, right? So speak anywhere, transform your voice into polished text into any app from ClickUp to Gmail, prompt faster, which is very, very important. Draft instantly. When you know that you have a thought, and then when you put it into words, it doesn't come out easily. So this tool comes really handy there. So stay in flow, send your quick replies and feedback across, create content, speak your ideas into perfectly formatted blog posts, brief, and content. Okay. Okay, you can connect your Google Calendar, which I'm not going to do at the moment. So I'm just going to skip for now, which means that it is an app that you can link. You can link ClickUp, Bitbucket, Box, Dropbox, Figma, GitHub, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Jira, Notion, OneDrive, Outlook Calendar, SharePoint, Slack, Teams, Zoom. These are all the things that you can go ahead and integrate. And I'm just going to say get started, right? Let's try the function key and see if we can come up with anything. Login item added. Now this is the interface that you would be working with when it comes to BrainMax. Pretty interesting tool. It can go ahead and it can make you feel that you are the real Iron Man in life, and it just has everything that you need at your fingertips. Now this is where you can go and access your chat models from Claude to Google Gemini to ChatGPT. You have access to most of the models. Search, ask, and create. You can edit these all sources. Click up. You can connect your apps. These are all the apps that you can connect, and I'm very sure that there are more coming soon. And let's go to Brain again. Okay, what do you think are the recent spoken about, very engaging and very trendy topics with specific to AI no code agents in the world today? Can you please make a summary of all these discussions so that I can use them to make content for my LinkedIn? That's about it. So I've just done. For me to type this would have taken forever. What do you think are the most engaging, trendy topics? Blah blah blah. Let's see if it adds to this. If I do it again, right? So I'm just going to say function. I need you to pull up all the information from sources which are really reliable, can be verified from reliable sources, and put them all in a table. Do you think it appends it? It has appended that, right? So this is ClickUp Brain. If you want to attach anything, you can go ahead and attach that, which we are not going to do that. I'm just going to search with this. Now by default, it is at Brain, and if you want to change it, you can go ahead and change it to any of a specific model that you would want. Now you don't have to juggle windows. You don't have to go ahead and compare different models using different platforms, different logins, etc. You can just do it at one place. Now here is a summary table of the most engaging and trendy topics in AI, no-code agents, and current global trends with reliable sources you can reference for your LinkedIn content. You can use these topics as an inspiration. Okay, create a LinkedIn post about AI agents and their impact on industries. Draft a content piece. Okay, summarize the importance of authentic storytelling. Now, if I want to change the model, let's say deep search is enabled now. I think it takes time, but I think I just want to show you that it is possible, right? So I'm just going to stick to web search. Now choose a specific model, let's say ChatGPT, right? It chooses ChatGPT here automatically. Now Claude is also possible. Now let's say web search is enabled. Do you think you can go ahead and pull up a list of all the most trending topics or burning questions that marketers and small business owners may have about AI agents? If you want to switch to Brain, you can just switch to Brain here, right? And let's say this. Absolutely, the AI agents are one of the hottest topics in the world. These are all the trending topics. How can AI agents actually drive revenue and ROI for small businesses? What are the best AI agent tools or platforms for marketers in 2025? Right? It just pulls you all these things. Okay, interesting. Now this is a list of all chats. You can connect your apps here. I'm surprised that you don't see HubSpot here. I don't know if you have it. If you don't have it, or maybe you will have to wait for the integration to come in. Okay, let's say Google Drive. This is where you can connect your drive, connect the app. Interesting, right? You can go ahead and get all your data from platforms like Jira, from Notion, and then you can integrate these with other platforms, and then you can use this to pull up all the information. This is where you talk. This is where you search, right? Now, interesting overall. I think what takes away what takes the cake for me is this, where you have access to all platforms here, right? 2.5 Pro. Can you go ahead and create an image for me? I'm waiting, of a little boy playing in the backyard, dressed in a white T-shirt and red shorts, playing with a yellow color soccer ball in his backyard in New York. Copied to the clipboard. Why is it copied to the clipboard? Okay, because I wasn't there on the window, it copied it to the clipboard. Interesting. I was on another window. Okay, now let's see if this generates the image. Very, very interesting. Now, basically, it will take away all the pain. At this point in time, it will take away all the pain of going ahead and researching the web, going ahead and looking, browsing between different platforms. It does all those things at once. Now, let's see what are the options you have if you upgrade, right? Here's the image you requested. How does this look? I can make adjustments, blah, 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 but I can't see the image, right? I can't see the image. Anyway, but I think you can do the image generation. Let's come back to Brain. Now this is ClickUp Brain attachments. Okay. You can also have your team involved, and you can also say what are the next steps for this. Summarize the key details of task one. You can go ahead and create tasks. So basically, you have, when you say ClickUp, when you link ClickUp, you can do all those things in ClickUp. Now, once you have those tasks generated in ClickUp, you can keep speaking about or discussing about interact with ClickUp as a platform from Brain, which is one place. You don't have to ClickUp. You don't have to go to ClickUp. You don't have to go ahead and find that task, then look at what is the status. You can just interact with everything from here. Now, can I link HubSpot? You can integrate HubSpot with ClickUp. Now, once that integration is done, you can speak about, you can interact with that from here. Now, what are all the things I can integrate from BrainMax from here? It should give us a list of all those things. Okay, Google Drive, Slack, HubSpot, GitHub, blah blah blah, Zapier. Okay. Okay, interesting. Let's go to Brain. Let's go home. These are all the models that I have. Okay, connect your apps. These are all the tasks which you may have had on ClickUp. Let's create something amazing. Create, let's say, a task. Okay, you can give these details. It goes ahead and automatically creates a task, which is interesting. You can also do that using voice. Okay, what are the most interesting things BrainMax can do that others can't. Now let's ask this tool a lot of interesting questions about what can I do as a marketer, right? So what can I do using BrainMax as a marketer? What are all the things I can do as a marketer on BrainMax ClickUp AI? It goes ahead and it kind of understands what we're trying to say. Search across all your work and apps. Instantly search ClickUp, the web and connected apps like Google Drive, Figma, blah, blah, blah. Use natural language queries like find the latest campaign results. Show me the Q3 launch, AI powered talk to text. Okay, it can write content for you. It can go ahead and okay, let's see if it actually writes me content, right? Can you write me a blog post like a seasoned SEO professional can? Brilliant. Okay, so that's about it. It has pretty much given you exactly what it can do. Can I integrate my Google Ads? I think you can integrate your Google Ads with ClickUp. Once you have that integration in place, you can speak to your Google Ads interfaces. You can even analyze your data. Okay, I don't think ClickUp has a direct integration. The available Google integration with Google Calendar, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can integrate that using Zapier, but once you have that, then you can keep interacting. Okay, once I do that, can I run analysis reports using that integration from here? Of course you can, right? So once you have that, you can speak creating dashboards. You can start looking at interacting with your ad data. I don't think it'll be very seamless, but I think it'll be doable. That's about it. So I think it's a very good interaction. It's a very good tool to have to go ahead and see what is possible with your. You can This is the most interesting thing. Write my stand up, generate an image, schedule a meeting. Let's say you can schedule a meeting with, and then you can pull up people from your organization, right? Let's say Digital Titans, and then a note will be sent. Could you please provide the date and time? Okay, let's say tomorrow, 12 a.m. Something on random. Right? So these are all the things that you can go ahead and do. You can connect. You have to connect your calendar. When you do that, it will automatically do that. So overall, it's a one amazing hell of a tool that you can go ahead and experiment with. So this is within ClickUp. These are other apps. Now, once you have in ClickUp, you are in ClickUp. You can use all the functionality that ClickUp has. You can talk to those. You can talk to those modules, tools, integrations, anything that you can think of. So that's about it. I think you should go ahead and sign up with BrainMax to see what this tool has to offer. So that's about it from this session. My name is Casey. This is AI Dojo Labs. Cheers.